just be. Don't take it. Take it, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm riding right.
Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am going to be showing you guys what I put in my kids' Christmas Eve box or bucket. This year it's actually a box. I found these boxes. It actually looks like trunks, but they're a nice size. They actually came in a size larger than this and a size smaller than this, so I got the medium size. So I'm going to be showing you guys what all I got them this year. But first I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new, this is some of the things that I do on my channel. Show you guys hauls, and you can consider this a haul. I do home decor updates in my home, just homemaking lifestyle, just all of the above. So if that's something that you're interested in and you enjoy seeing, please make sure that you stick around and join my YouTube family. Click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you are aware of when I drop videos. And I just want to welcome you to my YouTube family. And if you're not new, thank you for continuing to support me. I really do appreciate each and every last one of you guys. So I'm not gonna prolong things. I'm gonna go ahead and get to this. First of all, I want to shout out my daughter because she graduated from college today. So shout out to my daughter Aaliyah for graduating from college. Mommy is proud of you, girl. I am so proud of you. But anyways, this is probably the only video that my children will probably watch. Remy! No, stay out of there. Remy's one of the dogs. No, don't go in there. First box is my youngest son, which is Caden. So, of course, he plays basketball. And he's always going in the kitchen, getting the water, either water bottles or filtered water. I just got him a jug that he can just refill. This came from Five Below. And then I got him some Sour Punch straw bites. He loves Sour Punch, so. And then, of course, I got them all a pack of the Jolly Ranchers. And then every year I always get them a Funko Pop. And his is always something in reference to basketball. So this year I got him Michael Jordan. I ordered this online, Amazon. I will link everything that I can link online. I mean, in my description below. And then I got him this Pac-Man t-shirt from Five Below. He is a gamer, so I figured he will enjoy this t-shirt. And then from Five Below also, I got him some lounge pajamas. So, pajama pants, put it like that. And this year, I got him some slippers. Because I'll get so sick and tired of them walking around the house barefooted when it's cold. Like, put something on your feet. So I got him some slippers. These actually had a good review on Amazon. So I'll make sure that I'll link these down below. And then I got him a case for his phone. And he's always going in the bathroom, taking my dots for spots, you know, the pimple patches. So I got him his own. Then I got them all a tongue scraper. Got this from Amazon as well. It's a 2-piece, so it's 2 different ones. But hey, got that. And then his phone is always going dead, so I got him a power bank. This came from Five Below as well. And then this I got from Amazon. It was a pack of 3, so it's just some cocoa butter for their lips. And then y'all know I am big on my walk with God, and I try to, you know, encourage my kids to get on their journey as well. So I found this book. It's called Deep Roots. It's a family devotional to grow together in God's Word. But I got them each one of these books. I'm going to order me one too. And it's for all ages from young to grown adults. So you can actually do these daily devotionals as a family. So I thought that was very neat. And I haven't opened it yet actually, just to see what it looks like on the inside. So, okay. So basically you get your verse, and then you get the devotional, and then down here it gives you a question or whatever that you can talk about it with your family, with your children. So I thought this was a very interesting book, and so I got all 3 of them one. I'll definitely be getting me one. So next we're gonna go with, well, I don't know whose box is up next. I'll see. Oh, I do have I wrote their names on them, so I'm thinking I gotta look inside to see whose is what, but no, I don't. Their names are on them. All right, so next up, same box, is my daughter, Aaliyah's. So I pretty much got them similar. It's the same thing, but different, if that makes sense. So for her, Funko Pop, she loves wrestling, y'all. She got it honest because my grandma used to keep her. My grandma kept my kids for me while they were little, and that was what my grandma liked to do, watch wrestling. So my daughter got hooked on watching wrestling as well. So I got her Zelina Vega. I know a few wrestlers, but I don't know them, you know, all. So I got her that one. And then I always get them something to drink out of, whether it be a mug or whatever. So this year I got her a little glass cup. This came from Five Below. And it just has the gingerbread with the pink hats on. Then for her candy is the Laffy Taffies and the Jolly Ranchers. And then the Lord blessed my daughter and my oldest son with new cars this year, a week apart. When I tell you God moves in mysterious ways. So I did get them this little, it's a universal duster cleaning gel. It's the gel that you put like in the air vents in your car or whatever, any kind of creases that has dust, and this is the gel that gets the dust out. So I got this from Amazon. I will link it down below. Her house shoes, slippers, or whatever you want to call it, I got these for her. But they feel so good. They feel so soft. And then this is the case that I got her. Actually, I wanted this case for myself, but this is for iPhones. I don't have an iPhone. I am an Android girl. And then she works standing on her feet all day. So she always comes home complaining about her feet hurting. So I got her some Dr. Scholl's. Some Dr. Scholl's foot mask. So it was a pack of 3. And I can link these in the description as well. And then the chapstick was in a pack of 3. I think I said that. Her tongue scraper. Her book. And then for her shirt, I got her dang, what I forgot. Oh, strawberry shortcake. I'm like, dang, what is this? But I got her the strawberry shortcake. Just bringing back all my childhood memories. And y'all, I did not get, I was not trying to get anything like the shoes matching the shirt and the shirt matching the sleep pants. I was not trying to get it all to match. I was just trying to get them some. And these are her sleep pants, lounge pants that I got from Five Below. So I either got it from Five Below, all their stuff from Five Below, or Amazon. So last but not least, we got Trey. All right, here's Trey's. And I ordered him his Funko Pop, but it hasn't came yet. I need to check the status on the shipping, but I'll throw it up on the screen what it actually is. Trey is a big fan of The Office, the show The Office. So, of course, I always get him something pertaining to The Office. So that's what his Funko Pop, I keep saying punk, but pop is for this year. I started a tradition making these boxes years ago, but I also started a tradition of getting them, making sure that I get them a Funko Pop every year as well. So that's the story behind that. So because he loves The Office, I had planned to get them all an accessory for their phone, but he had ordered a new phone, and I couldn't find the accessories in Five Below for the size the phone that he was getting. So I ended up going on Amazon and finding something else, which was these Office. He works at the hospital now, so he's back at the hospital. So this is the Office. This is where you can put his badge for the hospital, and he can loop that around this part, or he can connect it like this, connect his keys or whatever he want to do. But this goes around his neck. So this is the Office thing. They actually have all kinds of things. I think they have even Golden Girls. I want it, but I don't even got nowhere to go to wear it. But yeah, I thought this was so cute. And then this is one that you can pull. So this will be good to if he have a key card that he has to use to pull to get into doors, which they normally do at the hospital. This would be good to hold that. And again, it is the Office theme. So I thought that was cute. So that's what I got him in place of not having an accessory for his phone. I got him this drinking cup. It says out of office. So, and it's green. Something to drink on. He got taffies and Jolly Ranchers as well for his candy. And then I got him the blue dust cleaner gel for his car. And then for his shirt, I got him SpongeBob. And then he got the same pants as Caden. And he also got the same shoes as Caden. I want to say one of them, I think these are the black ones. Caden's might have been gray, but the same brand, same type of shoe. And then also for his car, I got him these air fresheners. I'm telling you, he's a fanatic. He's the office fanatic. So I thought these were hilarious when I seen them on Amazon. So I just got him those. It came in a pack of 2. And then of course he got his tongue scraper. He got his book. And he got his chapstick. So that's actually going to conclude this video. I hope you guys was inspired to go out. It's not too late to go out and create your kids, regardless of how old they are, because mine are 24, 21, and 16. Instead of doing stockings, do a Christmas Eve bucket or something. Dollar Tree has all kinds of stuff that you can use if you don't want to go buy something like this. But there's tons of stuff at Five Below that you can get to stuff it with. So make sure that you guys go out and do something special for your children. Comment down below if you already do, and what do you do for your kids for Christmas Eve. I thank y'all for watching, and I will chat with you all down below in the comments. See you next time. Bye.
Taking just be